No, don't break the table, Vivi.
Okay.
Meg. Vivian, balance.
We should have gotten a bib.
Probably would like it better if we didn't use formula.
You think, Maggie?
What do you think of that?
Is that good? Uh-oh, Pip, can you help Vivi?
Okay.
What do you think? You're doing it. You're doing it, Maggie. Good job.
What mask? I don't know, honey.
This mask.
Green Lantern
The
mask.
Green Lantern? I don't know, honey. I don't remember seeing it recently.
What do you think, Viv? Is that cool?
Megan doing a good job?
Yeah,
You wanna try? Gentle to her. Viv.
She doesn't want to eat anymore.
Well, she doesn't know how to feed herself. You have to put it in her mouth. That's it.
Good job, Megan.
And try again?
Yeah, undo it.